Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Mailchimp in WordPress. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and go to the Plugins section. Search for Mailchimp for WordPress and install the official plugin. After installation, make sure to activate it. This essential step establishes the foundational connection between your WordPress site and your Mailchimp account, preparing you for seamless email marketing integration. It takes just a few moments to complete. Next, you need to connect your Mailchimp account. Log into Mailchimp, go to your profile, and find your API keys. Copy one of the existing keys or generate a new one. Back in WordPress, navigate to the Mailchimp for WordPress plugin settings. Paste your copied API key into the designated field and save the changes. This action securely links your WordPress site to your Mailchimp audience, allowing data to flow between them. Now, let's create your first sign-up form. Within the Mailchimp for WordPress plugin settings, click on Forms and then Add New. You can customize the form fields to collect information like names and email addresses. The plugin offers a drag-and-drop interface for easy design. Once your form looks perfect, you can embed it using a shortcode, a block, or a widget, making it visible to your website visitors. Finally, ensure your form is linked to the correct Mailchimp audience. In the form settings, choose which of your Mailchimp audience's new subscribers will join. Double-check that your form is visible on your desired pages or posts. It is crucial to test the form by submitting a dummy entry yourself. This confirms that new subscribers are correctly added to your Mailchimp audience, ensuring your email list grows effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.